In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Zoho Mail. We're going to attach your brand logo to an email using Zoho Mail's Composer. This is perfect when you need to share a logo file with a teammate, vendor, or client in a format they can easily download and use. Open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Once you're in your inbox, find the New Mail button to start a fresh message. Clicking it opens the Compose window where you'll set up everything for your email. In the Compose window, add the recipient's email address in the To field, then write a clear subject line that reflects your purpose, such as company logo attached. Clear subjects help your message get noticed and make it easier to search for later. Now it's time to add the logo. In the message toolbar, click the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. This brings up your attachment options. Choose Upload Files to add a logo directly from your computer. This ensures you're sending the actual file, not just a link. Your file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your logo is saved, select the file, and click Open. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well. PNG is especially helpful if you need a transparent background. If you have multiple versions, pick the one with a clear file name and a practical size for email. For most purposes, keeping the longest side under about 1,000 pixels and the file under a few megabytes helps with fast upload and smooth delivery. After clicking open, wait for the upload to complete. You'll know it's attached when you see the file name listed in the Compose window. If you selected the wrong file, remove it by clicking the small X next to the attachment name, then repeat the same upload action to choose the correct one. Before you wrap up, add a brief note in the email body explaining what you've attached. Mention the version or color option if you have more than one. A short description gives the recipient helpful context so they know exactly how to use the file. That's the whole process. You opened Zoho Mail, started a new message, added your recipient and subject, clicked the attachment icon, chose Upload Files, and selected your logo to attach. With the logo now included in your email, you're set to share it confidently and professionally.